Today I'll demonstrate how to make fluffy pancakes. Sift 1 cup of flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift it all in a bowl. Once everything is combined, whisk it with a whisk, and in a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of buttermilk with 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and whisk together. Once you have whisked everything, mix in your dry and your wet. Once you have preheated your stove with some butter, add in a ladle full of batter. You know when it's ready to flip when the sides start bubbling and it loses its shine. Your pancake is now ready. Enjoy with some butter and maple syrup.